This morning we got a special delivery from the postman, and it's the book from our chief evangelist, Holger Flick. It's the book about TMS FNC Maps, the latest edition. And probably you already received the book you ordered. It was released beginning of this week, but this is a special edition, a special copy. As you can see, it's indicated here not for resale. And what is so special about it? It is an edition that is in colors. So we have full color images in the book. So all the maps, graphics are in color. And not only that, also the code snippets have syntax highlighted text in color. So also the code snippets are visually more pleasing with this color edition of the book. This book is about TMS FNC mapping. Just in case you are not aware of what TMS FNC mapping is, it is our product for creating applications with mapping services with Delphi. It is cross-platform, cross-framework, and also cross-service. That means that you can use this product in VCL Windows applications, in FireMonkey cross-platform applications for macOS, for Windows, iOS, Android. You can also use this product for Lazarus, for the free IDE for Object Pascal developers, and create macOS and Windows and Linux versions with it. And it doesn't stop there. You can also use TMS FNC Maps with our TMS Web Core product, meaning that you can create web applications using these mapping functionalities. It is cross-service. That means that with a simple property switching, you can choose what mapping service you will use. So you can switch between Google Maps, Bing Maps, Azure Maps, the free OpenStreetMaps, TomTom Maps, Here Maps, and some other extra mapping services are already in development. So this special color edition of the book is meant to celebrate something in October. Stay tuned for more information about that. We will create a limited edition of this color book, so stay tuned. Meanwhile, I invite you to explore TMS FNC Map and its many powerful features, which you can download a free, fully functional trial version from our website.